TU's fascinating programs. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use operators in Python language. Today, we are going to see about three main operators, that is like arithmetic operator, relational operator and logical operators. Before we step into the video, if you really like our video, please do like, share and support by subscribing our TU's fascinating program. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Open your Python ideally or script mode to work in your operator. So I'll just open my Python ideally. So let's see how to work in a arithmetic operator. The different arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor, exponent. Let's use all these operators one by one. First, it is plus operator, which is used for an addition. Example, I just give 5 plus 5, it gives me 10. Second, 5 minus 5, it's 0. 5 asterisk 5, 25. 5 slash 5, it gives me the quotient, it is 1.0. Next, 5 modulus 5, it gives you the remainder from the division, so 5 modulus 5, it's 0. The next operator is floor operator, double slash 5.5 double slash 5, it is 4, so it gives me 1.0. so it gives only the integral part. The next operator is exponent, 5 asterisk asterisk 2, it gives you the power. So other example, 5 asterisk asterisk 3, it gives me the exponent 125. This is how to work in arithmetic operator. Now open your Python ideally to work in your relational operator. There are 6 relational operator: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, and not equal to, exclamatory or equal, that we call it as a not equal. These all 6 relational operators used to compare values. Let's see an example. 5 less than 5, so it is false. So let's see another example. 10 greater than 15, so it is false. 10 is not greater than 15, so we use a less than or equal to operator. 5 less than or equal to 5, so it is true, both are equal. 5 greater than or 5, it is false. 5 is equal to 5, it is true. 5 not equal to 5, so it is false. So this is how all the relational operators works. These are the 6 relational operators which gives you true and false respectively. Open Python IDLE or scripto to work in your logical operator. There are 3 logical operators, namely like and, or, not. These are the 3 logical operators. Let's work with the and operator. And operator is used to work with two expression and it returns true if both the expressions are true. Let's see an example. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20 and C is equal to 30. So these are all the 3 variables I have taken. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. Now I use the logical and A greater than B and B greater than C. Now see, the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20. It means that 10 greater than 20. So it gives me the answer as false. And you can see another example. B is 20, 20 greater than 30. So 20 greater than 30, it is also false. So A greater than B is false and B greater than C is false. So both is false, so the answer will be false. This is how the logical AND operator will work. Let's see another example. A not equal to B and B not equal to C. So let's see what is the value of A and B. So the value of A is 10 and B is 20. So I told that A not equal to B. So answer is true. And B not equal to C. So 20 is not equal to 30. So true. So if both the expression is true, it gives you the answer as true. So this is how the AND operator will work. In logical OR operator, if any one of the expression is true, it gives you the answer as true. A greater than B, 10 greater than 20, it is false. B not equal to C, 20 is not equal to 30, it's true. So false or true. So if any one of the expression is true, I get the answer as true. Now it is logical NOT operator gives you vice versa as answer, not A greater than B or B greater than C. So A greater than B, 10 greater than B, it is false. B not equal to C, 20 is not equal to 30, it is true. So false or true, it is true. So not A greater than B. So A greater than B is false, so I get the answer as true. Finally, you can see here not A greater than B or B not equal to C. Already we got the answer as true. So if it is true, if it is not, our answer is
Also, thank you for watching. If you like our video, share, subscribe and click the bell icon all for our new video notifications. Thank you.